nails. I almost forgot my name there. And in this video, I'm going to take out this ponytail because it's pulling my hair. You ever have a ponytail that pulls your hair? Why did I put my hair in it? Oh, what was that all about? Anyways, guys, in this video, I'm going to be doing eyeshadow on my nails. Yeah, I'm going to be using some cheap eyeshadows to make a gradient. What? I don't even know. Let's get to the video. Yeah! I'm going to start by painting all of my nails white, and I'm going to do 2 coats to make sure it's fully opaque. And then when that is not completely dry, you know when you kind of touch it and you see your fingerprint, that kind of dry, I'm going to take some of this pink, light pink eyeshadow, and I'm going to just pick it up with my finger, and I'm going to go ahead and just lightly, very lightly rub that into the tacky nail polish. And I'm going to do this just on the top of my nail, and I'm just going to put a little bit going to the bottom. Okay, the pink is all good, and now I'm going to move in with some of this light blue turquoise color, and I'm going to do, of course, the bottom, and then I'm going to blend it into the pink. Okay, I think that looks good. Now I'm going to put a top coat on it, which is very important because we're going to stamp on this eyeshadow, and you cannot stamp on eyeshadow. So just pick the thickest top coat you got, and when it's completely dry, and then I'm going to take my BP56 Born Pretty stamping plate and take some metallic stamping polish and just scrape the excess away with my Born Pretty scraper and pick it up with my Born Pretty jelly stamper. I just have all Born Pretty stuff I stamp with. It's kind of funny. I just have everything's Born Pretty. And then I'm just going to take that flower design and put it on the top of my nail towards the cuticle, and as you can see, it's kind of like this flower design. And then I'm going to take the exact same stamp and I'm going to put it at the end, but I'm going to move the flower a little to the right and put it towards the bottom of my nail. Now I'm very happy with this. It's kind of cool undertone. I guess it maybe would have worked with maybe a darker color, but I still like it. And now I'm going to take my URS 15 stamping plate, and I'm going to do the exact same thing with the same nail polish, and I'm just going to pick up the mermaid design and put it on my ring finger. And this is kind of understated too. I guess it didn't show up as much as I wanted it to, but I still think it looks pretty with the metallic silver stampy polish. And now I'm going to take some strengthening top coat and put it towards the top, towards my cuticle, the top of my nail. And then I'm going to take some of these lovely, beautiful rhinestones that I'm picking up with a colored pencil, and I think I'm going to put 3 of them on all of my nails. And I also did another top coat, but I forgot to film it, but I used the same top coat as before, and here they are. They're all done. I guess I wish the metallic stamping polish would have shown up a little more, but it's okay that it didn't, because I still think it's a pretty undertone. I don't know, guys, tell me what you think down below about them. And yeah, these are my cheap eyeshadow gradient mermaid nails. Okay guys, I think that is beautiful. I had so much fun with this eyeshadow. I think the gradient turned out beautifully. The stamp was a little, I guess it was a little light, the stamping polish, you know, the metallic stamping polish. I think it was a little light, so you couldn't really maybe make out the mermaid the best. You would probably help that if you used a matte top coat, but whatever. I think it's really pretty on silver understate on the eyeshadow gradient. I still think it looks so pretty, and tell me what you guys think down below. I really want to hear your opinion on using eyeshadow if you've ever done it. I just love it. I've used eyeshadow in my orange nail tutorial once before this, and I'll put that up in the I button so you can see it, you know, up in the cards. I think this I don't even remember where I got it because I've had it for a couple of years, but this Profusion Glam set is, I think, at like Wal-Mart for like $4 or something like that. And I think it's very pretty. I'm very happy with the colors, and I think they look awesome on nails. So that's why I had to do this nail design, so I think it's great. And in the future, I think it would be really fun to do more eyeshadow, like get the cheapest eyeshadow, like, I don't know, like $1 or 99 cents, the cheapest eyeshadow, and see what it looks like. I think it would be fun. Tell me if you guys want to see that in the future, because I think I might do a video about that, because I think it would be so fun. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Remember, don't forget give this video a like if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of this. I don't know if you guys noticed, but the eyeshadow I used in this video, I also put on my eyes, because duh, it's eyeshadow. But anyways, goodbye. Ponytails hurt sometimes.